Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Where is the love we have? Love to bring each other down, or love to pull each other up? Where we get?
People
Not
dey
really
for
make
me.
sense.
Say you go Nigeria, go bring OJ family. Come and say, may they help them. May they help them more. Now they vex for you put.
Yeah, no. Me, I felt no say all these things where they do. Not be everybody like am. And me, I not be say I dey respect everybody. But you no go fit tell me wetin I go do for my life, because I no fit tell you wetin you go do for life. Me, everybody live life. Live your own, may I live my own. Why troubling me when I not cross your boundary? I not talk to you. Why finding a way? Why finding a way to make sure say you get to me? We be like say I never near you. Why? I dey very carry my boss picture come put for here. If not be music, where I go studio, we be like say they see they work on that music. We go come outside, where I take sing for my boss, where I take respect and where I take think of wetin we get together, the plan where we get together. You know they see good thing, they talk follow person. Hey, it was good oh, now good person oh, now nice person oh, but they say drink this one, they say do this one, they say na yeah oh. Abba, not be so now. If I clap hand for you, it no make sense now. We be like say me myself, where I want clap and follow you, I never really know whether na truth. It no make sense now. No. How you say person you're the paro? Person you say person the paro, and person they talk too much. And why they talk like that? Why they talk like that? No. We all will be human being for this world. We be human being. Let respect ourselves. Let respect lead. Now because say we not get respect, now make South Africa. See the way that they do black. See the way that they do our brothers. See the way that they do our sister. South Africa here. Now because say love not dey. We still dey the same Europe. See the way we dey treat ourselves. How una want make other people they see us? How una want make other people they view us? Say okay, we dey do things. Why we dey do?
But we OJ up to don't come out. It don't come out.
Never come outside. Who bring her come outside? Not be they say. Not be make me the turn and say. Make them know they talk. They say. You they talk. They say where you never see her. You never really see her. Say okay. Now the autopsy be this so. Now it be this so. You they do video. They say. Now so this one. Now this one carry her. Now this one kill her. Now this one kill her. It don't make sense. So my people, maybe they calm down. You understand? Maybe they calm down. I know why here say they say anything go na here. The autopsy never come outside. That guy where just they make that video, just they ranting.
Okay, now what updates?
He never even see him.
Now what updates now they talk?
So I don't know. I don't want to measure anybody's name. May anybody not come to talk say I they measure their name. I don't want to measure anybody's name. But if time see it, you go find where the video there, you see him. I don't want to see play the video here, but it not really make sense. People they tell me say, you don't do. I know. And even if not be this video where I even can't watch for internet, you understand? Where I even can't write the boy, they talk to the person. Where even can't they threaten me. I for not come live video can't talk about this thing because I get many things where they do now. I get many things where they do now. I get many music where I suppose bring come outside where they pray. I want to even get money where I want even take promote and do my things. You there, you say now your own how they think. I be you say how they reason you. The time where I never get a reason about my life, I can't take the reason you. No now. Then you tell me say I know they get sense. Where be like say since I start my life, you never feed me once. I never feed you once. I will tell you say you not be human being. Why would they look you like say you not be human being? I know where you start life. I know the way you take start. Why would they insult you? I don't say I believe say one person will not get sense. I go insult another fellow human being. Because you know, if you know the struggle, my guy, you not go insult anybody. That thing where you they do say the bobo, you they do this one, you they ranty, you they do this one, people don't fed one. Maybe they calm down. Maybe they calm down. say we want your talk, we your carry talk, we want your talk. So my people, Rita, wetin make me come this life? I know say, in saying they see my video, I know say, una still go share this video, go meet am. Me, I see the talk. Both who like my boss before, both who not like am before. As una take the support, God go bless una. You understand me so? But me, Popori, just still dey tell una say, as we dey life so, make that love continue to dey lead. Let the love lead the way. You see human be like you can't hate, you can't help him, leave him. Don't hate on him. Don't try to bring it down. It's not good. Doesn't make any sense. Why doing that? You understand? Why doing that? Why try to bring him down? Whereby that person you want to bring that he don't even reason about you. Why can't you your face life? Do your things. Either good or bad. That's why P-Square singer say some people they bubble, they struggle. That they struggle day and night, they day for studio, that they sing, that they breathe things where go feel make sense to the world. Where go feel change their life. They don't get time to think about people. But some of us will carry people matter put on for our head. Why? No make sense. Me Popori, they do my things. I know the reason about anybody. If you love me, thank you so much. If you not still love me, I don't know whether you love me or not love me. Still thank you. I they do my things, they go like say I know the see person. Then you can't tell me say I dey stupid. Yeah, they find my life, they go. We be like say I never feed you never feed me. You can't tell me say I dey stupid. How can I tell a whole family man say you are stupid? You want bring people, children, picture come outside when you get your own children. Not good now. What you know say they not do for you. Not point to another person. You get why? Make we dey love. Make love lead. Love. If you not feel love person, if you not feel like person, leave am. Come on your eye for his eye. Why they let another person energy they bother your energy? Why? So my people, I beg. Thank you for the follow. Jolos Woman TV. Thank you for the follow. God bless you. You understand? Don't be say you come here, you come the ranting. You see me the way I sit to the talk now. I don't want shots. You understand? You're the calm. Talk slowly. I dey tell person I me the talk. I see singer for my music say, if you don't love me, go your way. You understand? Not get time. If you don't love me, not come stay there. Can't they give me bad energy? If I don't love you, I'll go my way. I don't stay there. They give you body heat or they give you bad energy. No, I'll go my way. You understand? I don't go wait there. They say make a find where I want to bring you down. No, I'm not go do that. So my people, if you don't like person, leave one. Now life, if you no love for this life, when you go love, God say love other. You know. God say you don't love people where you dey see like this. You say you love me. Where the love dey? So my people, I beg, may we dey try to understand ourselves and may we dey try to understand what we dey do. You understand? Not be every time we all dey condemn people because say we want your stock, because say we want yours come outside come say okay, make people listen to us what we want talk, or because of this view, because of people wey want view you, because of like where you want get, you can't use and dey spoil people name. E no good though. So now only two platform now I don't see this my boss matter. I beg. When I know they carry fake news before I even carry the news. When I see the autopsy first too. Make una see am first because which is he never come outside. His brother never give me reply say he don't come outside. So as a brother never talk am, na a brother position supposed to say, na wetin happen be this o. And if they no want you still talk am, wetin happen, make it die like that. Finish. No be you dey the position to come tell the world. Me wey go bring the children come outside. You say you dey vex for me, say you fit sue me, wey all the whole world go take beat me, and you wey be like say you dey talk wetin no happen, dey follow am now. They say you now, they never tell you say okay, you don't make your statement say I see the autopsy, I see the paper, I see the results. You they say me and you, who can do the worst now? Me wey go bring children, they tell my people say I beg anybody wey get any little help, I beg help these people. Now that one I want to turn against me. Haba. If we dey do something, maybe we dey do am. Say people wey still dey listen to us, they dey educated, they go still understand wetin we dey talk about. No be all this one wey we all deal. For me, I not really understand some people again. When I dey talk say una like person, whereas una not like person. If anything don't happen, piam. If anything don't happen, piam. It is a for example, me now, my own person, something go happen to them. I go begin the announce and they go, they carry and they go, they spoil and they go. I'm not going to even feel spoil anybody. That is why they do my own. So for that simple reason, no they spoil anybody. I beg me deal. I know say you fit take everything wey be like say we dey talk, we dey do. Say you want take am like say maybe na everything don't offend me now. And I want put am for mind, I want get am for mind. Bro, I not get you for mind, I not get anything for you. You dey feel me so? But God Almighty wey create heaven and earth, he dey see everything wey wish every man dey do. He say whatsoever a man soweth, he shall receive. He shall reap. That word not be yours for word. Whatsoever you sow to your brothers, you shall receive that thing. You shall reap it. So good seed, may you receive good seed. Just one letter know. Tomorrow I still make video concerning this guy. May you try beg, make it daily. Make it leave this man alone. Now beg, now me dey for her. Make it leave her alone. The matter not really concern her, and the world not really concern her. If you not talk, wetin dey your mind come outside. They'll still continue to dey do am. You dey feel me so? I feel overlook all these things where they happen. Where I not go talk. But if that man they really they see for where he dey, if he not happy with me, based on who he be to me, you understand? He never spoil me when he did this word. Talk like say when he can't come out, I can't allow people spoil am. That one apart. Both people where they tell me say as a public figure, as a artist, you're not supposed to dey talk. Make people they use that one, they look down on you or they less down on you. Good or fine. I take the advice, you understand? But never forget, say if person they spoil me, the fit spoil me tomorrow. The fit talk many things about me tomorrow. Say na so popori did this, na so popori be this, na so popori be this. If it still reach my tongue, but that one not be issue. Nobody will not dey see for life. Who not go, na I not know. What I heard they talk about. I feel they preach the word of God, join my music while they play. na wetin I wan do for life. Nobody put me for that way. I fit compose song take worship God. Na wetin I want. And everything wey I dey do, e dey come out from my heart. Because truth dey bitter. That's why even when Tupac dey alive, when he dey talk, some people really reason and say wetin this man dey talk was a real. That's why when he talk about the governor, talk about the president, talk about this, people feel his word. Because that was the reality. He was a prophet that was seeing what is going to happen in the future. But some like him and some hate it. Talking about back then in the rap days, when Tupac was on the mic back then, he said the truth. Why some like him, why some don't like him, I know. But for me talking, people may hate me, people may like me, no problem. As a public figure, I don't support to speak again. When I see what is wrong, I have to cover my eye and let that thing be destroyed on other people. Their name or what they have worked for or their life. That is it. No arguments. I don't come here, I don't come swear for person. Hey, now wetin go happen to you be this. Now wetin go happen to you be this. I don't come here, come swear for anybody. But I just talk reality. Let love lead. That one not be quarrel. That one not be argument. As I dey here, they sing. As I dey here, I know they sing my music right now. I dey talk about love. Let love lead. Let move on with good things in life between ourselves. Let's support ourselves in good way, in good manner. I believe that is not a bigger thing or something, a crime. It's not a crime. Me talking about that. You understand? I believe some of you that are still thinking maybe Popori is talking out of track or talking like violent or this. I believe maybe some of you don't know me. You have never near me and you don't know who I am. You feel me? So I don't have problem with anybody. I don't have problem with anybody. I do my things easily. Thank God for life. Obviously, I don't argue with anybody. I don't argue. I don't get problem with anybody. Only God knows my mind. I dey happy with everybody wey come my way, where I know, where I see. So I don't get bad mind. No be argument. I dey argue. I know the verse. So as you all see me so now, so I all dey. I know the argue. I know the verse. I know they agree with anybody. But I just dey like to just let me say my own. You understand? So